My lords, may I please? Lords, I am appealing to the respondents, my lord.
During last hearing, direct issued Form 1, Your Lord.
My lords.
Why Form 1 has been issued?
This is the contempt case, Your Lordship.
No, contempt case only Form 1 issue చేస్తారండి. ఎందుకోసం ఇష్యూ చేసారంటే మీరు
Appearance of the respondent.
చాలా కష్టమవుతుందండి నాకు ఇక్కడ
My lords,
కూర్చొని.
may I submit, my lord, and so respond.
కేసుల కంటే ఎక్కువ అడ్వకేట్ల ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్ దొరికి కష్టమవుతుంది. I know that Form 1 has been issued. For what purpose? Why they have respondents failed to comply that order? Why this court has issued Form 1 అని నేను అడుగుతున్నా. Form 1 issued. Form 1 నేను ఇష్యూ చేయకపోతే నువ్వు ఇష్యూ చేస్తావా? Yes, what is your case, Mr. Subhas?
Kindly come to page number 14, Your Lordship's
Yes.
order. Para number 6, Your Lordship.
Yes.
The respondents have not placed any report stating that the account of the petitioner is required for the investigation in any criminal case, nor the said account has been attached by any of the enactment which confers power on the concerned authorities. In the absence of the power being traceable to respondent number 2 and 3, the action
Whether
of the
according to the Form 1 anybody is appearing or not?
My lord, yes, my lord. Both the
Who is-
response are appeared, my
Who
lord.
is appearing?
But the response one and two appeared.
So you want to file a counter?
But already filed, or implemented also, my lord, yesterday.
No. That the implementation does not take away right of this court to exercise my jurisdiction.
But I am only submitting.
See, the attitude of your officers should be reminded, and it should be recorded in the contempt proceedings, that forever all the bank officials in India would be more careful while dealing with the cases of the courts. See, your officers are not doing favor to the society. Keep in mind, you are only an employee, a public servant,
Yes,
and courts are functioning for the disposal of the justice to the public.
yes.
Therefore, we are in upper hand by virtue of our appointment as a constitutional authority. You are not supposed to advise the courts that what is that steps has to be taken. Once the court has passed an order, you don't have any right to alter even single word and attribute anything. You are only having right to carry the matter by way of a division appeal to the division bench. See, having court said when in accounts are not subject matter of any of the criminal proceedings, release the account, you write something else. Under which provision of law you are entitled? Either banking regulation says that you are authorized to write such a letters or can inform the other parties that your clients may be punished for 15 days and 2,000 rupees
My
fine.
lords, may I just submit one thing, my lords? My lords, with your lordship.
See, if you are implemented now, what prevented you to implement the moment when you received the order? Then if you are not in a position to implement the order, why you implemented now?
My lord, I will just try to clarify.
Yes, you take yours, Subhas, your take. He wants to clarify. This I will decide. Yes.
My lords, two letters, your lordship's orders first, but.
Forget about 100 letters issued by even Reserve Bank of India.
My lords,
If you have agreed, Mr. Counsel, if even Reserve Bank of India is issued instructions to you, when court has issued instructions, you have to comply the court
Yes,
orders.
yes,
You are only having right to seek a clarification before the division bench are entitled to file a review application before me, saying that Reserve Bank of India is having a statutory body being constituted under the provisions of Reserve Bank of India Act. This fact was not brought to the notice of the court. Please review the order or reclarify the order. Except that nobody else is not having power. If that is the power is given to everywhere, why we are sitting
My
here?
lords, I am only trying to submit your lordship.
I said you read your order, what is that you have communicated. Then satisfy that we are having a case.
That's the hold was removed, my lord. The hold on the amount. My lord, that's page 12, my lord.
See, when you are a single pie, you are not entitled to withhold. You are a banking, you are working under the Banking Regulation Act. You are more particularly regional bank. If there is an order being passed by any of the competent court to attach the particular account of the petitioner or to release the account, or it is subject for any court proceedings for investigation, only you are having a power.
Yes, please.
Even if any communication is there without even enclosing the annexure to the said letter of attachment order, still you are not necessary to obey that orders. But even after issuance of the direction by this court, what prevented you to implement the order is I am asking.
My lords, apologies were tendered. Let one
సింపుల్ అపాలజీ డస్ నాట్ టేక్ అవే అపాలజీ
But
ఎవరు పడితే
please-
వాడేస్తున్నాడు నేను జీపీగా 3,000 అపాలజీలు చెప్పిన
My lord, page 12 of the
డోంట్ టెల్ మీ దట్ అపాలజీ ఎవ్రీ కేస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్వేరబుల్లీ ఏ పారాగ్రాఫ్ వుడ్ బి దేర్ ఇన్ ది కౌంటర్ అఫిడవిట్ వీఆర్ టెండరింగ్ అన్కండిషనల్ అపాలజీ
My lords,
యు ఆర్ ఎ
page-
బ్యాంకర్
Yes.
you should pay the cost to the litigation only on that condition I will examine it, otherwise I will decide the
My
case.
lords, I will just try to submit your lordship.
Argue the case. I am not said I don't want to hear. Argue the case.
Correct,
What
sir.
is that orders being passed by this
But
court?
it's only a bona fide impression, not what.
You should be there in the jail also in a bona fide impression. I am not saying that. I am not coming in your bona fide impressions. You are always having your thoughts should be bona fide in sitting in the jail also. I never said you should not have a bona fide
Yes,
impression.
I'm sorry for.
After suffering the imprisonment also you may have bona fide impression. See, when a court said, invariably it is binding on every person. If you don't want to implement, file an appeal against that order, or you are having a grievance, file a review before this court saying that the court has not been adverted to the particular provision, these facts have not been brought to the notes. These are only the two ways to allow you. But you are not supposed to give an interpretation as if GP Singh interpretations of law. You are a bank manager, you are giving an interpretation to GP Singh interpretation law. It is very difficult for understanding of the so-called law practitioners in this court to understand the interpretations of law. And you are giving an interpretation to the court orders. Are you aware about or not? Interpretation is very tough, judge, tough time for.
Yes.
It is only conferred power on the high courts
Yes,
to
Lord,
give
yes.
an interpretation to the legislative intention.
Lord, yes, Lord.
Nobody else is having. Even legislations, they themselves is not having
Yes,
power
Lord, I-
after enactment. You want to teach the law?
No, no, no,
Then-
not at all.
I am not a lecturer here. I am only a judge.
But at page 12, my lord, the implementation part, letter communicated to them, Lord.
No,
But-
why you have not communicated? Why you have passed an order? I will test this order. I will impose the punishment.
My lord, my.
చాలా రోజుల నుంచి చూస్తున్న ఒక కేసు అని చెప్తారు మీ బ్యాంకులు పర్టికులర్లీ దొరికిరు.
Lord, I'm sorry, my lord, one second.
So where you have tendered unconditional apology? Tell me.
Lord, in the count.
What is his position? కోర్టులు అంటే మజాక్ అయిపోయినాయి ఆటలు అప్పలే గ్రామీణ బ్యాంకు.
No, no, my lord.
See, you are aware about not orders have not been implemented. I issued the contempt notice to the Governor Reserve Bank of India. You underestimating the power of this court?
No, no, my lord.
Then what is it?
Not at all, my lord.
Then why you implemented when you are not in a position to implement at the time of the orders being passed?
My lord's, my lord's order was that, Lord.
You think that the customer is your subordinate?
No, no.
See, customer paying every rupee
That the reason.
and
for
customer even
existence-
paying the washroom charges also
Yes.
and water charges also you are collecting in the ground of customer. Nothing single pie is you are spent to the customers. Every money is public money. Your salary is also paid by the public.
Yes.
You are only discharging the services. Huh?
Existence itself is because of customer. my lord.
You are,
Existence of bank itself.
that is unfaithful. Unfortunately, for the you have been created to
Sir,
liberalize the people from approaching the financiers, but rather you are acting as a financer. What is the object of the nationalization of the banks?
Yes.
Tell me.
to-
Have you ever read what is the object of the government of India for nationalization? Have you ever read the schedule area land revenue regulations? To prevent the innocent people from the clutches of the highly influenced people. That is the intention of the provisions.
exorbitant interest rates and other things.
కస్టమర్ వచ్చినాడే లేచి ఉరకాలి వాని దగ్గరికి వాని దగ్గర రాడు. అర్థమైందా? అక్కడ కూర్చొని నీ ఫ్యాన్ వేసుకొని ఏసీలో కూర్చొని కాదు నేను పని చేయమన్నా నువ్వు చేయకపోతే ఇంకోటి చేస్తాడు, నేను చేయకపోతే ఇంకోటి చేస్తాడు జడ్జి. మరి
Page 5, para 8.
పేజ్ 5
Para 8.
చదువు ఏం రాసినావు పేజ్ 5.
With respect to the.
After reading the contempt, a counter affidavit, if you are not satisfied, you should also prepare to face the consequences. నా కోర్టులో రెండు రకాలు ఉంటాయి. Read now, satisfied. See if you openly, if you accept and
Apology is mentioned in para.
no, if you openly, even without referring to the, you accept unconditional apology across the bar, I will
Yes,
exonerate you.
Yes, my lord. Yes.
If you read the counter affidavit
No, no,
and argues the case that you are a bona fide mistake, then you leave it whether it is a bona
That's
fide.
about apology I mentioned.
That is a good practice. Come, this court, this. అయిపోతా 5 నిమిషాలు అయిపోయాయి. This contempt case is filed for alleged violation of the orders passed in WP number 2687 of 2020, dated
4924.
4/9/2024. This court, while disposing the writ petition, directed the respondents pass orders as follows. Paragraph 6. The contempt case is filed even after alleging that even after the directions issued by this court, the respondents have not complied the orders of this court in releasing the account. In releasing on the name under
Lifting the hold, my lord.
lifting the hold on the account of the petitioner, solicitor, in turn issuing a communication saying that that order does not amounts to directing them to lift the, what is the communication page?
Page number 40, your lordship. Lift the hold, they are saying. This honorable court order does not contain the sentence. Lift
కామన్ మ్యాన్ ఏం తెలుసు ఆ టెక్నికల్ నాలెడ్జ్. మీరు ఇట్లా కొట్లాడితే కరెంట్ పోయింది అంటారు. కరెంట్ కాదు పవర్ అని చెప్పి నువ్వు కంటెంప్ట్ చేసినావు అనుకో, ఏడుపు ఎప్పుడు రోడ్ చేయడానికి. పేజ్ నెంబర్
Page number 40 of my material papers.
ప్లీజ్ ఏమంటారు ఇష్టం? Passed in orders on 5/10/2024, inter alia stating that the orders granted by this court and their orders passed on this inter alia stating that they have obtained orders from controllers at. ఎవరు కంట్రోలర్స్ నీకు?
Higher office.
ప్రజలు కంట్రోలర్స్. అయ్యరతను ఇంప్లీట్ చేయవాడు చేయమన్నాడు చేయకమన్నాడు అని చెప్పి చెయ్యి. సే దట్ యు ఇంప్లీట్ ది యువర్ రీజనల్ మేనేజర్స్. ఐ విల్ tackle with him.
He is the party, your lordship, already.
You want to issue regional manager to notice? Huh? You said higher ups అంటున్నావు కదా. Let him come and say.
లాంగ్వేజ్ అక్కడ చెప్పారు.
Yes, same question. Controllers and as per their guidance received. While interpreting the orders of this court, stating that there is no direction to set orders to remove the hold on the account, but only directed to allow operation of the account. What does it mean operation of the account అంటే hold remove చేయమన్నాడు కాదా? ఏమైనా కామన్ మ్యాన్ తెలుస్తుందా అరటిపళ్ళు అమ్ముకుంటానికి? ఈ హోల్డ్ బిల్డ్ అంటే ఎవరిని తెలియదనే రిమూవ్ ది ఆపరేషన్ అలో ఆపరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది అకౌంట్ అంటే ఎవ్రీథింగ్ నువ్వు ఆయన ఫ్రీ చేయమన్నట్టు దాని అకౌంట్. అలో ది ఆపరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది అకౌంట్ ఇన్ ఆబ్సెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ది ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ది రెవెన్యూ అథారిటీ. ప్లీజ్ స్టాప్. The land council appearing for the land council, when the said order has not been implemented, this court issued Form 1 notice, and in pursuance of the Form 1, the respondents, the respondents are present. The land council appearing for the respondents, a counter affidavit has been filed by the land council appearing for the respondent, and wherein it is stated, they are only in a mistaken impression that orders will not, the mistaken impression, they have not implemented the order. And after getting clarification from the higher ups, they have implemented the orders and also tendered unconditional apology across the bar. Accepting their unconditional apology and issuing the warning that they should be more careful while dealing with the customers in future. This contempt case is closed.
One submission. One submission.
Subhash, అంతకంటే
లేదు సార్, నేనేమంటలేను.
ఏదో నీ
Yesterday they sent their watchman, their attender to my house and
they are present here in court. You cooperate with them, and land council is here. If you are having any difficulties, brought to him. And see, ఈగోలో పోదండి మనం కొట్టాడుతున్నప్పుడు.
they are forcing me to sign on a paper. That is my
He
submission.
is here. He said
Oblast,
that
oblast.
he will pursue it is a council. He will
Oblast.
inform the
అకౌంట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఆల్సో ఫైల్ టుడే.
see whatever problem he is having, he will speak with you. You solve them. Why you want to? ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి ఇప్పుడు మంచిగా హైగా హైదరాబాద్ నుండి కోర్టు కేసు ఉన్నది 2 రోజులని ఊరికి పోకుండా పనులన్నీ పోతాయి కదా. రైతులు గ్రామీణ బ్యాంకు వాళ్ళకి ఫర్టిలైజర్ లోన్లు కావాలి, ఎన్నో కావాలి. తెలుసా నీకు గ్రామీణ బ్యాంక్స్ డ్యూటీ ఏంది? And you are not aware about, I appear for the Gramina Banks as a counsel long back. Assistant Justice V.V.S. Rao. Yes.
Next item, your lordship, they are seeking